video. Today we have the hacks are live. They're back, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way you use to browse our platform by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy. He's the one that actually told me about this deal. He already posted it on his channel, so make sure you guys go on over, say hi, subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. Alright guys, so yeah, again we're gonna be doing store number new haul 1055. That is the magic number. So store number 1055, that is one of the better stores that we have right now. So new haul store, down to 159. You guys select the tool. This is the hacksaw. This is the M12 fuel 12 volt lithium brushless cordless hacksaw reciprocating saw kit with 4 amp hour battery, tool bag, and charger. If you guys look at here at the free items, make sure you guys select the most expensive tool, which is the ratchet. Make sure you guys select the ratchet. You guys go back, and this is the price, guys. The ratchet's gonna be down to $76.92. That is one of the lowest prices we've seen. I believe we haven't seen a lower price than that, guys. If you guys don't have it, pick it up. These are really great tools. Top of the line fuel. This is top of the line fuel. This is not. Just keep that in mind. Fuel 12 volt lithium brushless hacksaw reciprocating saw kit, $82.08. That is cheap, guys. $82 for this reciprocating saw kit with the battery charger in a bag. Make sure you guys check it out. I do have another one for you guys. As you guys know, the all-time favorite. This is the best, one of the better deals. $179. If you guys punch in this store, new haul store 1055, it drops down to $179. That's how you guys get this deal so low. So make sure you guys get them before they actually fix it, or because they will fix it just like before. They'll fix the prices. So you guys add unselect the item. So I'll just add both to cart. Allow. Alright, so guys, final price for this kit. This is our two fuel tools. Remember, guys, these are impact driver. This is an impact, not an impact wrench. It's a drill, a hammer drill. So this is the M12 12 volt lithium brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver. Combo kit with 2 batteries, a charger in a bag, 2 tools. Guys, remember, all time low, guys. We haven't seen this low. $97.67. And for the ratchet, it's going to be $115. Obviously, if you want to get the ratchet, you might want to get the other deal. Hack it, return it, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. That's on your thing. I'm just showing you the tools. You guys do whatever you guys want. But you guys know that these are really cheap, so I would definitely keep both of them if you can. $97.69 for both of these. 2 batteries, a charger, in a bag. That is a killer deal. Guys, I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to go on over to Joe the Tool Guy's YouTube video and say hi. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way you to rest the platform by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.